Hi guys, wagwan, it's your girl Kim Carr here and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be reviewing the JUVIA'S Place foundation and concealer. I know there is 1,000,001 reviews out there already about this foundation and this concealer. But now there's about to be 1,000,001 because I'm doing my review. You know why? Because I'm hyped. I've gotten this package about 3 weeks ago now, and I haven't pulled it or anything like that because I really wanted to do the unboxing on camera and the first review on camera. I purchased this foundation and concealer on the 23rd of May and I paid $52.50 for everything. As you know, the concealer retails for $14 and the foundation retails for $20. I bought 2 concealers and 1 foundation. So I made that purchase on the 23rd. I received a notification that it was shipped on the 24th, so I was very excited. I don't really know when it reached, I just glad it reached. So as you know, I live in Jamaica, so it first has to be shipped to the US and then someone from the US ships it down here. So yeah, whatever happened, it reached, and I feel good about it. So this is the box. I'm going to be pulling the box now. Oh my god. Okay. So I got it in a box with this and this. Nothing else not in here? Are you kidding me? I said everybody else get theirs. Me not get no leaflet, me not get nothing. What is this? Are you sure this is the original box? This is all I got? I'm disappointed. I thought I would have gotten like the leaflet to show me everything. If it's even the leaflet, only popular influencers alone get that? No. I am disappointed where that is concerned. I mean, I really wanted to read about the different kingdoms and the different shades and the different, you know. Anyways, this is what the packaging looks like. As you all know, this is the foundation and the concealer. The foundation shade that I think would match me based off of reviews on YouTube. The one that I got was Togo in 220. Now I'm not sure if this is going to match me at all. This was just, it's a trial and error thing. It's really just an eyeballing thing. I'm not sure. I hope so though. Concealers that I got, I bought one for highlighting and one for contouring. This is the highlighting shade that I got. This is number 13, I think. Yeah, this is number 13. And the contour shade that I got was number 3. Thought number 3 would be dark, you know. This almost kind of look like the foundation. Wait. I'm going to be applying my makeup using my normal routine. The only thing I'll be switching out is the foundation and the concealer. So I'm going to be using my primer. It's the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. I really like this primer because it really helps to minimize the pores that I have and give my face a flawless finish. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit and do my eyes. I'm going to be using the JUVIA'S Place, the Warrior 2 by Juvia, to do a natural neutral looking eye today. Nothing elaborate, not do much today. So these are what the colors look like. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to be using Jamanta in the crease. I'm going to be taking Zama and putting it a little above my crease to kind of help blend it properly, just a little bit above. I'm going to be placing Kana on my lid. I'm going to be using Walzana to deepen the crease a little bit. I need a new eyeliner. I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Precise and line my eyes. I'm going to be taking the foundation. I'm only going to be taking a little bit because as far as the reviews go, a little goes a long way. So let's see what the hype is all about with this foundation. It's thick. That pea size amount did all of this. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I got my shade. But I think I did good. It feels really soft on my skin. The formulation is very thick, so I really like that, and it really is full coverage. I showed them the talk, a full coverage. It has a weird smell though. Why nobody never talk about the scent? It smells funny. I don't know how to describe how it smells, but it smell away. To me anyway. It have a faint smell of something when yeah, not smell right at all. It is a velvety matte foundation, and it really is a velvety matte foundation. Like, my skin looks as if I have already set it with powder. Like, this formulation is good. Yeah, it's very good. I really like it. We're gonna move on to concealer. It's a nice thick bottle, which means that it comes like you're gonna get a whole heap of product in it. Nice fat mouth, nice big brush. Yeah. Alright, so to each his own. I think the brush applicator for this is a little bit too big for my taste. I think if you're not very careful with it, it can lead to a lot of sloppiness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this out and then open up the darker concealer. That's why I wanted to do this part first, because I didn't know if it would be the same formulation as the foundation. This one seems to be moving around a little bit more than the foundation. Like, the foundation it stay where you put it, but this you can bring it all the way up. I was really worried that the color that I got would be a little bit too light, but I think it's working out. I think it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's giving my face a nice little highlight, and I really like that. It doesn't say what kind of formulation it is, but I don't think it is as velvety as the foundation. So I'm going to be trying out the concealers now. This is in number 3. It almost won't come in like my foundation color. Number 3? I thought this would be dark. It coming like me need a number 1. You have to try out things for yourself, you know, the things that you see influencers I do. Sometimes it don't go so, for real. Sometimes it don't go so. I think this is a perfect contour shade for me. So this is what the concealer and the foundation looks like. Like on camera, I look, but in real life, it not really give me that effect there, to be completely honest. But I still like it though. I still like it. So now that the concealer, that's what I wanted to highlight first. I wanted it to seep a little bit more into my skin before I set it. So now that it has seeped into my skin, I'm going to be setting it with my new favorite powder, the Airspun loose powder. I know I'm late to the party, but at least I arrive. So I'm using my MAC Studio Fix in NW44 to set the rest of my face. I'm going to be doing the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Hi guys, I'm doing a wear test for the JUVIA'S Place I Am Magic foundation and concealer. Right now I have had it on for approximately an hour and a half, and this is what my face is looking like right now. I'm really putting this foundation and concealer through the works to see if it stays on my face or if it moves, and to see whether it is sweat proof. So as you know, I live in Jamaica and it is extremely hot today. Right now it is 1:15, and you know that at 1 o'clock the sun is at its hottest. So yeah, I've been on the road since 12:30. I think it still looks good. I have been sweating, especially on this side and on my forehead. I've been sweating profusely, and I've been in the heat and the wind and the dirt, and this is what my face is looking like right now. So I'm gonna check back with you this evening. Hi guys, so I'm back. I have been wearing this foundation for a little bit, for maybe about 6 hours, and this is what my face is looking like right now. I didn't pat my face or powder my face. I really wanted to put it through the wear and tear test to see how well it would hold up, and I think it held up pretty well. I have no smile lines, none whatsoever. I do have some creasing underneath my nose area, but I don't think it's a big deal. My face is looking good in my opinion without having to pat or powder. I think my face is looking good. I'm just impressed with this foundation. So just to sum up things a little bit, the pricing for the foundation, it's a good price. I would definitely recommend this foundation to anybody who loves a matte finish foundation. I also like the concealers. I would definitely incorporate the concealers into my everyday routine, but I must point out that I do notice that most of my oil is coming from a T-zone area. I'm not seeing a lot of shine underneath here, and it could be because of the concealer that I used, so bear that in mind. I didn't like the packaging. I didn't like how they sent it to me. It appears as if they just threw my products into a box and shipped it out, and I didn't like that. No pamphlet, no leaflet, no nothing. So it's like, oh no, I'm for purchase nothing else from the store. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. So I think they should address that. But that's the only thing I didn't like about this whole experience. Let me know your thoughts below if you have used the JUVIA'S Place foundation. Let me know your shade, and let me know how you liked the foundation in the comment section down below. I'm interested. I really want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section down below so that we can chat. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.